Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video we're going to be trying out some more Madam Glam products. I've got some pudding gels to try today. I've never tried any of them before, so I'm really excited to see what they are like. So what we're going to do is I'm going to swatch all the colours first. I've also got a new brush to try out, but we'll swatch all the colours and then we're going to do a fun nail art design, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to jump straight into it. So I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you can, and yeah, other than that, let's get started. So I'm so excited to check these all out today. Like I said, I've never tried pudding gels before, but I have a feeling that they are going to be absolutely amazing. So I'll just flick through and show you all of them. First of all, we have got a nude pink pudding gel. We have got the white pudding gel, lemon yellow pudding gel, black pudding gel, and then the peach nude pudding gel. And then we have also got a new Madam Glam brush. I have never tried any of their brushes before. This one is absolutely ideal for applying the pudding gel. It's a nice flat-headed one. I love the colour of it as well. I love the black and gold. It looks so nice, doesn't it? But like I said, we're going to swatch them all first and then we're going to do some fun nail art with them. Okay, so I'm going to start off by testing out the nude pink pudding gel. I love these little pots. I love the fact they've got these little pull tabs on them. Look at that colour. So I've got the swatch stick. These are meant to be really highly pigmented. Oh wow, that's a fun texture that is. That's really like creamy and thick. It's a lovely colour. These pudding gels sort of vary around the $20 mark. Some are $21.95 and some are $19.95. With Madam Glam you can get the VIP membership, which basically makes everything like half price. So instead of paying $21.95 you'll be paying like $10.90 something, I think. So you can pay a certain amount each month for your VIP membership, and then you can get like 50% off of all products, which is really cool. It's a lovely colour. It's really nice nude, that is. Okay, so I've just cured that for a minute underneath my LED lamp. They do suggest curing for 1 minute on the LED or 2 minutes under UV. I really love the way these feel. They are so creamy. I really like Madam Glam products for their formulas. I really appreciate the fact that they are vegan, which also means they're cruelty free, and the actual formula, it's just made so nicely. It's just not harmful at all. These pudding gels are palm oil free, but also 21 free formula as well, so they're free from like 21 of the most toxic chemicals that you typically find in a lot of nail polish. They are slightly more pricey than some other gel polishes you'll find, but you're paying for the quality, aren't you? But that's a stunning colour, that is. That is a nude pink pudding gel. Next up, we're going to swatch the white pudding gel. Can you see how soft that formula is? It's literally like butter. It just melts. It's so lovely. This brush is lovely to work with as well. I'm so keen to try the detailer brush. As you lot know, I love my freehand nail art, and I feel like I'd get on with their detailer brush so well. But they've got a really good selection of brushes on the website. Loads of these pudding gels pick from as well. There's so many different colours. I love how smooth that applies. That's really pleasant to work with. Next up, we are going to do the lemon yellow. I'm so excited for this. Basically, the nail art I have in mind today is sunflower nail art. And you can see why, because as soon as I saw this colour, I just thought sunflowers. So that's where I'm going today. I really like these little square pots they come in. They're great as well if you're accident prone like me. I quite often knock over my gel polish bottles. You usually can't really knock them over, can you? Look at that colour. That's the proper sunflower yellow, that is. Oopsie. You can see the pigment as well, because I am applying these really thin. That's definitely one of the creamiest formulas I've ever used for any form of gel. But I'm literally using such a thin coat and it's got a pretty good coverage, hasn't it? Although I've not applied that the neatest. Right, I'm going to give it another coat. I do feel like I do need 2 coats if you're applying it nice and thin. I just can't get over that texture, like, see this? Can you kind of see how buttery that is? Essentially what it reminds me of is like against my butter, what are they called, butter tray things? I've got one. Can't think it's called though, but you know the things that you put your butter in? Because I always have some butter in the fridge, but I also have butter in my little tray thingy, just so it's easy to sort of scrape and like butter my toast with. I'm not getting my words out very well. That's what it reminds me of though, is when I've got my knife and I'm going like that on the butter to get some butter. I suppose this colour is like the perfect buttercup colour as well, isn't it? It's really nice, I really like it. I love a good yellow. I didn't buff down the bloody Swatch stick before I started, did I? So it's looking a bit funky. These are just so nice to work with though. I feel like these will be fantastic for freehand nail art, like detailing work. I'm excited to give them a go with that in a minute. We have got a black. Last but not least, we have got the peach nude pudding gel. That's lovely. That's one of my favourite sort of nude colours, that is. Yeah, I love that. It's definitely a brilliant nude. I'm going to give that one more coat. I'm going to give this one more coat. I love both those nudes. I know what design I'm doing today. I don't know what nude to use. It's like my main nude. I'm excited though. So pretty. Okay, so using the Madame Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat and the Madame Glam Soak Off Glossy Top Coat, I have painted the swatch sticks. I've done half matte and half glossy. So that's all the colours I'm working with today. I might end up using more colours, I'm not too sure, but that's the colours I'm working with today. They're really beautiful, aren't they? They're lovely colours. Those nudes are just ideal. I really like those. But yeah, I'm going to crack on and do some nail art. I'm going to put on some music for this, just because I've already been talking quite a bit and I don't want the video to be really long. So I'm just going to put on some music and speed up through the process. But yeah, I'm going to try to do some form of sunflower nail art design. So I hope you all enjoy. And I'll be back at the end. Okay, so I haven't filmed the whole lot just because it was quite repetitive and whatnot. And I've only done 4 nails as well. I'm not feeling too great today, you know. I don't know why. I think it's just too early and I'm not quite awake yet. And I'm just feeling a bit rubbish. I didn't bother doing a full nail, so ignore that. They're kind of cute, aren't they? The gels are really nice to work with anyway. I really like those pudding gels. The consistency of them is really, really, really lovely. And I'm pretty happy with how the design turned out considering I'm not feeling very well. But yeah, what do you guys think? I'll take my camera up and see if I get some better shots. So there we go, it's a bit of a better look. Good time actually, my camera battery's just about to go flat. What do you think? Yeah, I'm really happy with them. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Anyway, I have got a discount code for Madam Glam, which is SammyJ35. That will get you 35% off of your orders. I definitely recommend the pudding gels and the brush as well. Works absolutely perfect for the pudding gels. And yeah, I always like Madam Glam products. Like I said, it's just their formulas. Their formulas are really good, they're really nice to work with, and they're really healthy. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these products. I will leave all details of all the products in the description box with my discount code. And yeah, much love everyone. Hope you have a great day whatever you're doing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!